cholesterol-busting beverages. Finding the right foods and drinks to keep your cholesterol in check can be challenging, but today we have 4 easy beverages to help lower your cholesterol levels naturally. Green and hibiscus teas. These teas contain catechins and other antioxidant compounds that research has found can help lower bad LDL and total cholesterol levels by nearly 40%. Oat milk. Instead of coffee creamer, try oat milk. Oats contain beta-glucans, which create a gel-like substance in the gut and interact with bile salts, which inhibit cholesterol absorption and help to reduce cholesterol levels. Berry smoothies. Strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries are all rich in antioxidants and fiber, both of which can help reduce cholesterol levels and fill you up. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in a compound called lipocene, which may improve lipid levels and reduce bad LDL cholesterol. It's also packed with cholesterol-reducing fiber and lysine. While these drinks can provide various benefits for cholesterol control, they should not replace medical advice or treatment. Always consult with your healthcare team to create a comprehensive cholesterol management plan and visit patientslikeme.com to track and monitor your levels to help maintain a healthy lifestyle.